The largest mortgage companies in the country mistakenly withdrew money from hundreds of thousands of customers' bank accounts. And now the federal government and North Carolina's Attorney General are investigating loan servicer Mr. Cooper. WCNC Charlotte's Nate Morabito spent weeks looking into this as well and learned some in the Carolinas say the company incorrectly charged them 7 and 8 times. And now Nate is asking, where's the money?
Mr. Cooper, formerly Nationstar Mortgage, blamed the error on its vendor, accidentally drafting mortgage payments while testing its system. The company's since reimbursed overdraft fees and made sure people's money is in their bank accounts. But the Better Business Bureau says this should be a wake-up call for all of us. From Cornelius to the coast to the Triad.
I was just like, what the heck is going on?
Mr. Cooper's electronic payments vendor.
You were billed twice?
I was billed twice.
At least double billed an estimated 14,000 customers in North Carolina alone in late April. People like Craig Funky.
You expect to have all this money in your account and then all of a sudden you have nothing.
Funky says Mr. Cooper just recently started managing his $1,200 a month mortgage.
They're not off to a very good track record with me.
And the mistake doesn't leave him optimistic about the future.
I'm kind of scared.
He and others are now calling for action. The North Carolina Attorney General's office tells us people here make up 3% of all customers impacted, the 9th largest by state. The handful of complaints filed with the office show the vendor withdrew money from some bank accounts 3, 7, even 8 times.
I mean, it's crazy.
Tom Bartholomew is the president of the Better Business Bureau. He says the BBB receives similar isolated complaints related to banks all the time.
These things actually do happen to folks every day, but not to that extent and not to that scope.
Bartholomew tells us it's a reminder that we need to take ownership of our bank accounts. The best way to protect your money? Log in every day and check your bank account for any red flags.
It takes me under 5 minutes every morning.
Bartholomew says he follows his own advice, which also helps protect him from identity thieves.
That just gives me a heads up, and it also gives me a leg up.
In addition, he says you should check to see if your bank offers alerts. If the answer is yes, you should sign up. That way there's no delay and you can take immediate action.
I had enough money to cover it, so I did not get whacked with any overdraft fees or anything like that.
Thankfully, Mr. Cooper's mistake didn't cost Funky and others anything more than stress.
I didn't have a choice to pick this company.
But he won't soon forget it. Mr. Cooper is assuring customers its vendor has put in new processes and safety measures to make sure this never happens again. Nate Morabito, WCNC Charlotte.
What a story. And Nate tells us, too, before it rebranded itself as Mr. Cooper, Nationstar Mortgage had a history of consumer problems. Both North Carolina and South Carolina announced settlements involving the company in December linked to violations that they said impacted 115,000 consumers nationwide.